How to clear cache for Facebook on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear cache for Facebook on Android. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the settings app on your phone, and now here once you're inside, simply scroll down and tap on apps. Now here on the next page, just tap on manage apps, and after that you'll be prompted to the page where you'll see all the list of the apps that are currently installed on your device. Now here you can just tap on the search bar at the top, and there you can simply type Facebook and search for it. And now here, once you've found that, you can simply tap on Facebook, and here once you're inside the Facebook app settings page, what you can do is just tap on clear data option, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, just tap on clear cache and confirm it by tapping on OK. And that's it. Now your Facebook cache has been cleared. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.